Henry said, "Tom, please do not beat around the bush anymore. We really need to know what you think about this business deal." Tom said, "Hmmm." To beat around the bush means to avoid talking about the main topic. If we beat around the bush, we're trying not to talk about something important. Let's practice. Mary beat around the bush for 3 days because she didn't want to make a decision. Sam decided to stop beating around the bush and ordered pancakes.
Hey! The idiom beat around the bush has 2 parts, a verb and a prepositional phrase. Around the bush is a prepositional phrase. It's fixed. It won't change. Great. Beat is a verb and it will change. So, if you're talking about a situation in the past, present, or future, you need to update the verb. Here are a few examples. Yesterday, Tom beat around the bush for 5 hours. Right now, Tom is beating around the bush and wasting our time. Tomorrow, it's very likely that Tom will beat around the bush for another 5 hours.
Please stop beating around the bush.
What? I don't beat around the bush. I always stay right on topic.
Then why don't you want to talk about my promotion?
You don't deserve a promotion.
What?
You show great devotion.
Is that really what you just said?
So, what do you think of our new office space?
See? You're doing it again. You're avoiding the subject.
Maybe I am.
What's it gonna take for you to stop beating around the bush?
$1 million in cash.